welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Angela Shrestha, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply hair extension. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, please continue watching the video. You guys might have already guessed it by the title of the video that I'm gonna use this cut-in hair extension. You can get it on any cosmetic shop. I got this, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you can apply this. There are like small clips here. Let me just open it first of all. Make sure to have the hair extension which matches your hair color, or else it's gonna look a bit weird. So I got this one because I kind of have like wavy hair, and it comes with this clips. You can clip it on your hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. First of all, you have to part your hair. You can place it higher or lower depending upon the length you want. If you want it to be longer, you can place it a bit lower, whereas if you want it a bit higher, then you can place it upwards. So I'm gonna do it on the midsection, but you can't go too much higher or too lower because that's gonna pull your hair. So I'm gonna part my hair. Now I'm gonna use a clip to secure it. And now I'm gonna place this extension. I look weird. So now here are like clips, and you can place it right in the section. Then just start clipping it. This is how it's gonna turn out. So this is how it's gonna turn out to be. That is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.